Hey guys, it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. So since it is Sunday today, I am doing a lifestyle video, and today I am doing a desk/workspace tour. For me, it's really important to have a dedicated workspace where I just have all of the things I need in one place, and I know that when I go there and I sit down, I'm kind of in work mode versus like working on my laptop in my bed or on my couch. It doesn't really feel like I can get in the working headspace as easily. So since it's all done now, I thought it would be the perfect time to show you guys my workspace and how I keep it organized and what I like to keep on hand and everything like that. So let's get into it. Okay, so here is my desk. It is actually situated in between our kitchen and living room. So our kitchen's over here and then our living room is over there. But my desk is on this wall between our pantry and our bedroom. So this desk is from IKEA. It was one of the ones that doesn't come as a set. So I bought two of these things. These ones were called Alex. And then the top was called Linman, I think. And I got the super long one, and then I just built the desk out of those parts. This chair is not a desk chair. This is just the one that we keep here when I'm not sitting here or when I'm sitting here for just a really short amount of time. When I sit here for longer or do longer work, I actually use this chair that's over here. We only keep this one here when I'm not using the desk because these are the same chairs we have at our dining room table, and it just kind of looks a little bit better than having a big tall office chair right here. I don't sit in this for hours on end when I'm editing or anything because I would get serious back problems. So as you've probably seen, I like to keep just a very minimal desk. Obviously I have some plants on here. So the things I keep on my desk at all times are my laptop, which is what I do all my work on. I probably will be getting a desktop soon, but I've just been using my laptop for a while. And then I keep a few pens on my desk. So these are my favorite pens. I use the Sharpie pen, and I really like these ones. They're just these fine tip black pens. This is it's like a highlighter, but it's a really pale color, so I really like it. It has a brush tip and a chisel tip. And then here I have my bullet journal and my kind of like video planning journal. So this one has bullets and this one has lines. And I keep these ones out because these are the ones that I use all the time. I don't have a lot of stuff inside my drawers because I like to keep things as minimal as possible, so I don't have a lot of clutter, because I find when I have clutter I just can't focus. So all I have here are my markers and pens. These are really like my bullet journaling markers, but I like using these instead of highlighters because I just don't really like the super bright color that highlighters are. So these are a way that I highlight things, but it's just a lot more muted and not like in your face. And these ones are alcohol based, so they don't go through the paper to the other side. And then I just have a little whiteout, a ruler for when I'm bullet journaling, and then here I just have my little headphones. These are the Apple AirPods, and I love these so much. Having wireless earphones is a complete game changer when you're doing work or working out or anything like that. I love it. So then in this drawer I have all of my calendars, and this is the system that I use to kind of like plan all my videos and my recipes. If I have an appointment, it's on this calendar. Everything has to be on these or else it won't get done. And then in here I just have my notebook, and this is how I keep track of all my YouTube stuff and like kind of financial stuff. This drawer is kind of like a filing cabinet where I just keep all my receipts. This drawer is where I keep my backpack. I get a lot of questions about this backpack whenever I show it in videos. So it's from Lululemon, and then this isn't leather, it's actually PVC. But yeah, this is a great backpack. I really like it. I've had it for about 4 years now, and then nothing in there. Okay. This drawer is where I keep all of my cords and my hard drives for my computer and my camera, battery, and charger. This drawer is where I keep a spare phone charger and my little mini printer charger and my little mini printer, HP sprocket. I'll show you what it looks like. It looks like this, and it prints pictures from your phone. I use this for journaling mostly, so like if I have pictures that I want to put in my journal, I like printing it on this just because they're the perfect size. In this drawer, I just have another pair of headphones. They're still really good headphones, but I just prefer the wireless ones now. And then I have nothing in the two bottom drawers. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed seeing my workspace / desk area. If you enjoyed this type of video, please let me know in the comments below. I have a few more organization and planning videos planned. So I want to do a plan with me video for the month of May. So that will be at the end of April. So if that sounds interesting to you, then let me know in a comment below. But that is everything for me today. I really hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on Wednesday. Bye!